So good day everyone. Today I am going to explain the different parts of government under the executive branch. So, the executive branch of the government is responsible for executing the law under the legislative branch and ensuring that the law are implemented properly. It is headed by the president, who also the chief executive of the country. So, the different parts of the government under the executive branch is first, the office of the president. The president is the head of the state and the head of the government. The president is responsible for all the overall direction of the government and the highest official of executive branch. The president's main task is to enforce law passed by the Congress. The president also appoints the cabinet members, judges, and other government officials and also leads the country's foreign policy. Next, we have the cabinet members or cabinet department. These are the major administrative units of the executive branch, each headed by the secretaries appointed by the president. The task of the cabinet department is to implement law and policies related to their specific area of responsibilities, also to advise the president on policies matter and oversees the day-to-day operation of the government. Here are some major cabinet departments. First, we have the DepEd or the Department of Education. The DepEd is responsible for the education system. Next is the Department of Health or DOH. They are responsible for the healthcare system. Next is the DND or the Department of National Defense. The DND is responsible for the national security of our country. Lastly is the DFA or the Department of Foreign Affairs. The DFA is responsible for the foreign relation. Next part of the government under the executive branch is the Vice President. The duty of the Vice President is more on focusing or on supporting the president and assuming the presidency if necessary. When we say assuming the presidency, this is the most crucial duty to assume the presidency in case the president dies, resign, or remove from the office or become incapacitated. They become the president and serve the remainder of the term. Next, we have the independent agencies. These agencies operate outside of the control of the cabinet departments. They are often specialized in a specific area of expertise and established to provide independent oversight or services. They are tasked to provide independent regulatory oversight of industries or sectors and to conduct specialized research or services and to manage specific programs or institution. Uh, some of the independent agencies are the COMELEC or the Commission on Election. The COMELEC organize and conduct elections. We have also the CSC or the Commission Civil Service Commission, which is they oversees the recruitment, selection, and promotion of the government employees. Lastly is the BSP or the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. They are responsible for monetary policies and banking regulation. The organization of the executive branch ensures the effective operation of the government by dividing responsible among different departments and agencies, enabling specialized expertise and accountability.